What's going on, everyone? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom, and today we're going to be viewing a brand new 2022 Forest River Vibe Model 28 RL. Rear living floor plan, sleeping room possibly for 4 or 5, just really depending on the size of your guest. We're going to start on the inside of the coach, going over its different features before we head outside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started. Coming at you 34 feet, 5 inches of total length, with 2 total slides. This is 2022 Forest River Vibe Model 28 RL. RL is going to stand for rear living, and you got it right at a ceiling height of right at 80 inches on this coach. Walking space, you're at 15 feet from here to your sofa. Thomas Paine Collection furniture. The interior color is going to be called Moonshine on this coach. Sleeping room possibly for 4, maybe 5. You got the dinette that lays flat to a bed, plus a sleeper sofa that will lay flat. And I'm going to let all that out closer towards the end to show you how much walk around space you'll have. Blackout shades all the way throughout. And you don't have the valance, you got more of a curtain material. And the ones that I have closed, those are going to be your breeze windows. The ones that are open, those are just a picture window, just to show you how much natural sunlight still finds its way through. Kitchen island in the middle with a single basin, stainless steel drop-in sink with that residential style faucet there. 10.7 cubic foot all electric refrigerator. Does work off that camping package. Would possibly sustain you for maybe 24 hours before you really need to plug the camper in. Just keeping that battery charged. That solar panel on the roof is just enough to send over a trickle charge to keep the house battery nice and charged. All black appliances. Your standard size Furrion oven with enough room maybe to cook a pan of biscuits. You even have the matching pull-out drawer on the bottom. Your cabinets, drawers there. Floor to slide box pantry, and they have included a place for your trash can right down there. Slide box height in the coach right at 5'10", but you're not going to be standing, just sitting like I am now. And one thing that's changed from last year is your entertainment area. Last year you had a built-in sound bar in between your fireplace, but now they've built it into the television. Everything's going to be controlled from that television remote. So this coach is going to have a 50-inch television as well, and that's that all-electric fireplace, producing right at 5,000 BTUs of heat. But you can turn the heat off and just utilize the lights to assist your guests with moving around the coach. Coming up to the bathroom area. Ceiling height inside the coach, you're going to be looking at right at probably 80 inches. You got about probably a 12-inch step up to get into this 34 by 34 shower. This new accordion style door to close that off. It's kind of different. Manufacturer claims that when it retracts back, there's a mechanism built in to allow for a self-drying accordion door. Porcelain foot flush toilet, and coming around, take a look at your sink. No medicine cabinet provided, but your linen closet over here, pretty shallow. I wonder what's on the other side of the wall here. What's taking up all that extra space? Queen size bed. Looks like you're going to have a full size floor to ceiling closet. Pretty cool organizer built right in there also. You have a press button light. TV connections found at the foot of the bed. You can probably mount up to about a 48-inch TV here also. And check out the way the door swings. The hinges are a little bit different. So if I can't show you guys what that looks like. It's pretty cool. Coming around to the bed though. Queen size bed. You do have 110 and 12 volt outlets on both sides. Kind of a cutout behind the closet there. Mirror accent. Hanging rod. See if I can show you underneath the bed. Vibe does not provide a hydraulic strut, so it's a little bit heavy if you have a heavier mattress. So I felt like I had to close all these blackout shades just to show you how great of a job they really do keeping all that natural sunlight out when you don't want it. I've also opened up the sleeper sofa to give you guys an idea on size. It's about, honestly, the size of a full-size bed, so sleeping room really for 1 adult, maybe 2. Put over here in your booth. I laid it flat also. Sleeping room possibly for 1 full-size adult, maybe 2 smaller kids. And also under here, the Vibe has also included these cool little, awesome little food safe totes. I think each one of those are around 2 or 3 cubic feet of space. But heading outside, but before I do, question of the video. Half-ton towable, yes or no? Dry weight 7,129 pounds. Hitch weight on this coach of 829 pounds. Let's take a look around here at some of the numbers when we get around. 2 awnings. One's 10 feet, one's 11 feet. All the windows, these are just picture windows. They're not going to be a breeze window. Panoramic windows, as well as no tint. Right now all the blinds are just closed, keeping all that sunlight out. So if I can come up close just to show you the reflection. 2 different awnings, and these do have a breakaway, so you can press down, adjusting some of the angle to maybe allow for some water to pour off of there. LED lights are going to be only found underneath the main awning. There's your outdoor speakers. Your friction hinge entry door, which is great on high wind days. It really prevents that from swinging back, causing damage to the side of your camper. This coach is going to have this step above steps with the easier adjustable legs down on the bottom. Just by simply pressing of a button, those legs will go down, making it easier to just to get it pretty much set up. Camper's going to be stabilized from 2 sets of electric jacks, one in the front. There's the controls for it. Come around to the back, I'll show you those, but here's a look at your storage compartment. Vibe is going to have a Camp Anywhere package, which is going to consist of a heated underbelly, heated holding tanks. You've got a solar panel on the roof, which is just enough really to send over a charge to the monitoring station to keep the house battery charged. Vibe does come standard this year with a battery provided right from the factory also. Coming around to the back, you got a blindside camera prep, 4x4 tubular bumper, which is a great place to store all of your sewer lines when you're finished camping. That other set of leveling controls right over here. They're only going to go down so they feel a certain amount of resistance before they completely turn off, which they just did. You probably heard the click there. Not for leveling the camper, and that's the satellite connections there. Both of the slide outs are cable driven slides. More satellite connections right over there. Sewer connections on this coach, you've got 1. That way you don't have to carry around multiple hoses. Gray handles and black handles all located there. Outdoor shower, 6-gallon gas or electric hot water heater. Good look at the front. It's going to go with 2 smaller 10-pound bottles. The electric tongue jack. That's the standard battery now coming from Vibe. Battery disconnect switch. Kind of a, you got a diamond plate on the front maybe to assist with some of the road debris. But question of the video, half-ton towable, yes or no? What's your guys' opinion? Tell me in the comments below. Like, subscribe, continue to leave me some thumbs up. They definitely do help. Come see us.